Welcome back, Saulius. I'm back again. So yeah, let's play on the last road inception. So let's continue. Yeah, I did send you on my mind. So you have to spelling inception, which I was not expecting. So we lost of that part. Yeah, I know that part. It still sucks. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not going to change it. I won't go. I don't know how many it took forever. Dude, took fucking forever, kill. I used axe. You just said it took forever. Dude, again. I need better armor and I can't. It's so annoying. You're losing armor too much. Dude, it took forever shots. If each trap would be, if this is each a trap, that would be fucked. So I have to use them. No, I'm going to use this one. Okay, she died, zombie. Oh, stupid armor zombie. And prisoners. Please, that would be prisoners. Okay, I know that part. Okay, I can't do it, so I need... Dude, just die already. No, I'm gonna be fine this shit. Uzi time. Okay, this zombie never dies. Okay, I'm going. Dude, Dude, he never died. Dude, come on. Man, it took forever to kill them. Dude, why so hard to kill this axe, man? Yeah, he keeps running out. I hate this ult. He keeps running out. Okay, finally I killed them. So I have to use the gun. Nearly impossible to kill the zombie. Dude, I have to kill 2 more and done. Dude. Finally, died zombie. Next. I hate this one, zombie axe, so much. To using axe is not fun. I need better armor. I hate this one almost so much. Good, he died. Dude, the stupid zombie never dies. Oh my god, we almost there, man. Okay, I had full health, but I have to kill him. If without axe, I'm be dead. With axe, I'm be cool. Man, I won't try chop her before I would try run away. Good. Okay, one more that stupid zombie prisoner before fuck you zombie and done. Just sorry, man. I do not want to waste my time. Fucking die, please. Finally died. Now one more fucking woman. Fucking die! Thank God he died, woman. Now the last pistol. Fuck. You say trouble be, I'm be pissed. Oh my god, the last one is so annoying. Take it is over. Don't shoot. Are you okay? I didn't expect to meet anyone here. I managed to hide here. I lost my memory. What's happened? I don't know. People have suddenly changed it. They're turning into zombies. Were we need ready for that? Are there any other survivor government? I managed to contact an other survivor radio. They are on an eastern reach. Eastern reach. Together we have more chance. It's dangerous to stay in the city. Finally, it's over. This is the worst level ever. Thank God. Now will be police car. Finally. Damn it! I wasted a minute because that stupid level, man. Good, I killed that zombie. Okay, one more and done. Kill, kill, kill! Yes! Dude, why you not faster? Okay, the last one and done, okay? If I can, I don't know why. Dude, I was faster vehicle. Why you not faster, man? Just make that progress. Please don't! Oh my fucking god! Come on! Come on, fucking. Dude, what the fuck, man? Oh my god. No, I'm done this shit. Are you kidding me, game? I'm fucking done. It's so annoying, man. Why you not fucking fast, dude? You driving fast. What the fuck? I'm fucking done. Let's do on next, okay? About on the last road septing thing. We'll soon down, okay? Have a good night and peace out. Goodbye, Saulius. Bye.